The most important of my discoveries have been suggested to me by my failures. Nothing is so fatal to the progress of the human mind as to suppose that our views of science are ultimate. Science has for its object the enlargement of the sphere of human happiness and the improvement of human society. Imagination is the soul of science. It opens the mind to new ideas and possibilities. Chemistry is not merely a science of atoms and elements, but a key to understanding life itself. A true philosopher is a friend to mankind, whose goal is to discover and apply truth. The greatest happiness of a scientific mind is to unveil the mysteries of nature. The scientist is not a conqueror of nature, but its humble interpreter. Genius in science is perseverance in disguise. The glory of science is that it knows no country. Knowledge belongs to humanity. Experimentation is the foundation upon which all true science rests. A single well-conducted experiment is worth more than 1,000 speculations. In every experiment, we approach the truth, even if by ruling out the false. The laboratory is the workshop of discovery and the birthplace of ideas. Nature never deceives us. It is we who deceive ourselves by misunderstanding it. The earth is a grand laboratory where nature continually experiments. The beauty of the natural world lies in its harmony, complexity, and simplicity. To study nature is to witness the hand of the Creator at work. In the smallest atom lies the blueprint of the universe. Great discoveries often arise from moments of serendipity combined with prepared minds. The spark of discovery is ignited by the union of curiosity and persistence. A mind open to wonder will never be closed to discovery. Invention is the union of inspiration and labor. The true measure of a scientist's life is in the progress they leave behind for others. Knowledge gained should always serve humanity, not just the pursuit of fame. Each discovery is a stepping stone for the next generation of thinkers. Science rests not only on reason, but also on passion and imagination. The spirit of inquiry is the greatest gift to humankind. It frees us from the chains of ignorance. In science, the journey is as profound as the destination. The wonders of science illuminate the mind and inspire the soul. Chemistry is the art of separating the elements of nature and recombining them to reveal new truths. Through chemistry, we unravel the mysteries hidden in the building blocks of the universe. The power of chemistry lies in its ability to transform substances and, in turn, transform knowledge. From the spark of an element, we can ignite a fire of understanding. Knowledge grows when shared, and science flourishes in collaboration. The pursuit of truth is the noblest occupation of the human spirit. To seek understanding is to honor the mysteries of existence. The search for knowledge is unending. Each answer leads to more questions. An experiment is a question posed to nature, and its results are the answers we must decipher. Creativity in science is not bound by what is known, but by the courage to explore the unknown. Progress is born from a willingness to fail repeatedly in the service of truth. Great discoveries are the rewards of those who persist in asking the right questions. Nature reveals its secrets to those who observe with patience and humility. The universe is a vast library of knowledge, with each element a story waiting to be read. In nature's complexity lies its greatest simplicity, the fundamental laws that govern all things. Every drop of water, every grain of sand, holds a lesson for those who are curious. The scientist is a humble servant of truth, guided by curiosity and grounded in reason. Science does not belong to one person or one nation. It is a gift to all humanity. The legacy of a scientist is not in their name, but in the knowledge they contribute to the world. To teach others to think scientifically is to empower them to change the world. Every generation of scientists builds the bridge for the next to cross. The light of discovery shines brightest when it illuminates paths for others. True greatness in science is measured not by accolades but by the questions it inspires in others. The greatest reward of discovery is the advancement of humankind. Curiosity is the compass of science. It points the way to new horizons. The mind that questions is the engine of progress. Every great advance in science begins with the smallest spark of curiosity. In the endless pursuit of knowledge, curiosity remains our most faithful guide. Discovery is the poetry of science, where logic and imagination unite. The joy of uncovering nature's secrets is a reward unmatched by any accolade. Each discovery is a revelation, a window into the mind of the Creator. Science does not merely explain, it enriches our understanding of life and the universe. Genius is not a gift of the few but the result of unyielding effort. The path to knowledge is paved with perseverance and illuminated by determination. Success in science is achieved by those who never tire of asking why. Even in failure, the diligent scientist finds the seeds of future success. Chemistry is the key that unlocks the door to the natural world's greatest mysteries. Through the lens of chemistry, we see how small changes shape great transformations. The elements of the universe are the alphabet of creation. Chemistry helps us read its language. From the simplest compound to the grandest reaction, chemistry reveals the art of nature. Nature whispers its secrets to those who listen closely and observe deeply. The universe is a vast experiment, and we are fortunate to be its students. To study nature is to learn the principles of order, balance, and transformation. In the smallest atom and the widest sky, nature writes its story of unity and wonder. Science is the universal language of progress, uniting all who seek truth. Every discovery is a gift to humanity, a step forward for all of us. Collaboration in science multiplies our understanding and accelerates progress. No scientific advancement is solitary. Every success builds on the work of others. The true legacy of a scientist is found in the knowledge they leave behind for others to build upon. A scientist's work is timeless, echoing in the progress of future generations. To inspire others to ask new questions is the greatest triumph of a scientist. The mark of a great scientist is their ability to make the complex simple and the hidden visible. Knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. It is a light that grows brighter when passed on. Education is the foundation of discovery, and discovery is the foundation of progress. To educate is to arm future generations with the tools of inquiry and innovation. The treasure of knowledge is greatest when freely given. Discovery is the birth of knowledge, and its progress is the lifeblood of civilization. The most profound truths are often hidden in the simplest observations. Each step in science is a small revolution in our understanding of the world. The progress of science is the progress of human thought. Science serves humanity by turning curiosity into innovation and wonder into wisdom. The purpose of science is not only to understand the world but to improve it. By advancing science, we illuminate the path to a better tomorrow for all. The beauty of science lies in its power to bridge the gap between imagination and reality. An experiment is a leap into the unknown, guided by reason and fueled by courage. To experiment is to trust that nature will reveal its truths to the diligent seeker. The most daring experiments yield the most enlightening results. Failure in the lab is merely the prelude to discovery. Chemistry is the invisible artist, shaping the physical world and its countless wonders. To understand chemistry is to understand the essence of transformation. The mastery of elements gives us the tools to unlock nature's deepest secrets. Chemistry teaches us that even the smallest changes can create the most profound effects. Nature is an endless source of inspiration for the scientist who takes the time to observe. The interplay of forces in nature is the grand symphony of existence. Every natural phenomenon is a lesson waiting to be learned by the curious mind. In the study of nature, we glimpse the infinite complexity of creation. Science is not just the pursuit of facts but the exercise of imagination. Creativity is the soul of invention. Without it, progress falters.